Hello viewer, here we have generated that image and a frame there, so we will use that one. There it is. We will add a paint around it. I will show you how you can do this. So first of all we will remove it, then I will select a shape from the custom shapes. So that's a shape. I will select a suitable pattern there. There we will stretch the image over the shape. I will make it fixed. So there is a clipping mask. Add a paint there. Use the design